Standard 8. Today I shall be teaching you chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is El Araira and the Black Rabbit of Inlay by Richard Adams. Now, this is a short excerpt taken from the novel Watership Down. Okay, and here we come to know that El Araira is the leader of the rabbits and he goes all out to save his people. Now, in this particular chapter, we are going to learn leadership qualities. Being a leader, you have got a lot of responsibilities. Number one, you should be able to guide and protect your people. And if it comes to a certain extent where you will have to sacrifice your life, you will have to do it. You got to inculcate a lot of good habits so that you can give proper guidance and you can see the safety of your people. Now, in this particular chapter, we come to know that how El Araira is trying his level best to protect his people. So I shall read from here. Okay, just follow the reading. Later one afternoon in February, Rupscuttle led some of the rabbits some way away from the warren. Warren actually means a series of connecting underground. Now, usually rabbits, they build their burrows in underground. He got separated from the others and strayed into the guards' quarters outside King Darzan's city. They caught him and took him to the king. So, King Darzan saw his chance to spite El Araira and put Rupscuttle every day to work. However, El Araira and two of his does. Now, a female rabbit is also called a doe. So, El Araira and two of his does dug a tunnel from the wood into the back of the bank where Rupscuttle worked, and they all escaped. When the news reached King Darzan, he decided to finish El Araira. His soldiers went to the meadows of Fenlo, but they couldn't get down the rabbit hole. They feared their fate if they went to King Darzan without El Araira. Hence, the soldiers didn't go away. They sat outside and waited. Whenever any of the rabbits tried to silflay means when the rabbits, they look out for food above the ground. So they leave their burrows and they come out of the hole and they search for food. They found their enemies ready to jump on them. El Araira's people could only snatch a mouthful or two of grass before they had to bolt underground again. The meaning of bolt is to dash or to move in great speed. He tried every trick, but he couldn't get rid of the soldiers. The rabbits became thin and miserable, and some fell ill, as they were not allowed to go freely and feed, because all the holes were guarded by King Darzan's soldiers. El Araira felt desperate. He realized that if there was one creature who had the power to destroy his enemies, it was the black rabbit of Inlay. But the thought made El Araira shudder, as the black rabbit was fear and everlasting darkness. He served Lord Frit. Now the rabbits believed the sun was the creator. So Lord Frit is actually being referred to the sun, and did no more than his appointed task. In this way, he was the protector, and he would revenge any rabbit who may be destroyed without the consent of himself. El Arira would seek out the black rabbit and offer him his life in return for the safety of his people. So El Arira wanted to sacrifice his life in order to safeguard his people. So, unless he failed, he would not return. That means he was adamant that on no way he would let his people down. Next day, El Arira and Rapscuttle set out on their dark journey. They came to a high place where mist and icy rain swirled about them, and there was no sound but the trickling of water. Swirl means move in a circular pattern. El Arira went on until the mist grew so thick that they could see nothing. Where the cliff ended was the mouth of a tunnel. In the freezing cold and silence stood the black rabbit of inland, cold as the stone, smelt as clean as last year's bones, and his eyes were red with light that gave no light. The black rabbit spoke, El Arira, why have you come here? I have come to give you my life for my people, whispered El Arira. So I'll end it up till here. So here we come to know El Arira has realized that his people were in great danger. So being a leader, he was willing to sacrifice his life, and even he was going all out to look out for some outside help so that somebody should come and help him to save his people from the danger that the rabbits were being in. And so El Arira is now, I told you, being a leader, he was willing to sacrifice his life to free his people from captivity. Okay. I have already sent the soft copy of the word meanings. Please note it down and learn it. Thank you.